Nutrition is important for health. What you eat also affects another organ, your skin. According to scientists, what you eat can significantly affect the health and aging of your skin. This video is about foods that make your skin healthy. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty types of fish like salmon contain omega-3 fatty acids that can reduce inflammation and keep your skin moisturized. They're also a good source of high-quality protein, vitamin E, and zinc. 2. Avocados. Avocados are high in beneficial fats and contain vitamins E and C, which are important for healthy skin. They also pack compounds that may protect your skin from sun damage. 3. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of essential fats, zinc, vitamin E, selenium, and protein, all of which are nutrients your skin needs to stay healthy. 4. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are an excellent source of nutrients, including vitamin E, which is an important antioxidant for the skin. 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which acts as a natural sunblock and may protect your skin from sun damage. 6. Red grapes. Resveratrol, the famous antioxidant found in red grapes, may slow your skin's aging process by impairing harmful free radicals that damage your skin. 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin C and all of the major carotenoids, which protect your skin from sun damage and may help prevent wrinkling. 8. Dark chocolate. Cocoa contains antioxidants that may protect your skin against sunburn. These antioxidants may also improve wrinkles, skin thickness, hydration, blood flow, and skin texture. 9. Soy. Soy contains isoflavones, which have been shown to improve wrinkles, collagen, skin elasticity, and skin dryness, as well as protect your skin from UV damage. What you eat can significantly affect your skin health. Make sure you're getting enough essential nutrients to protect your skin. The foods mentioned in this video are great options to keep your skin healthy, strong, and attractive. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel.